Hey tubers, we got 2012 Dodge Durango, no start. Ignition goes on. This is electronic key. This is a code from the ignition switch, which is called WSW on this wireless control module, WCW on this vehicle. All right, so I'm gonna try to clear the codes, see why unidentified key is there, and why is it showing low voltage. Okay, this is the first thing to do. All right, and what have we got? Okay, battery voltage low, active. Let's try to start. No, and back to the codes. Yeah, battery voltage low, active. Okay, it's to be checked as far as the battery voltage to the ignition switch. Subscribe, please.